Seamark focused on design and manufacture the most technically advanced X-ray solutions on the market, derived from industry and customer insight. X5600, Seamark's small-size micro-focus X-ray inspection machine. It is good for the research sensor. The core parts are imported from famous manufacturers in Japan, Korea, USA. The X-ray tube is from Japan, Hamamatsu, which is the best manufacturer for closed X-ray tube. The flat panel detector is from a manufacturer which ranks top 3 at the worldwide with long lifetime. The inspection platform is mobile with X, Y, and Z axis direction. Navigation function can quickly locate the parts you need to inspect. Machine is equipped with keyboard, mouse, LG monitor, and user-friendly software. It can be used to inspect the soldering bridging, wire bonding, and calculate BGA bond percentage. Also measure the distance. The user-friendly design puts the control in your hands with adjustable parameters which optimize the inspection process to deliver the best results. X5600 also supports CNC inspection, automatically inspect the same items. Inspection results can be saved for further analysis and traceability. For our X-ray inspection equipment, we always put the safety priority. Our X-ray series equipment meets international standards. The product has obtained CE, FDA certification. Also obtained the exemption letter from Chinese Environmental Protection Agency. Each time radiation testing result is less than 0.3 microsievert per hour. We take macro safe protection methods for X5600. The machine body wrapped by 5mm thickness flat sheet and the window glass is also radiation proof. Machine is equipped with safety interlock. Emergency stop for preventing further damage to the machine.